Well, let's bring you the latest on the Health Ministry updates regarding the rollout of the new vaccine program. That's vaccines for children aged 15 to 18, as well as booster doses for frontline workers and those above the age of 60 with comorbidities. Well, the Health Ministry in its latest has said that a doctor's certificate or a prescription is not required to establish comorbidities. And the process of registration on CoWIN is going to start from the 1st of January. Ayushman joins us for more on this. Ayushman, just tell us some of the key features and what the process is for those who want to register.
Well, Aarti, currently we have been told by the Health Ministry that we have about 7.5 crore children who are there in the age group of 15 to 18, and the above 60 population is about 2.75 crore. The existing vaccination which the elderly population has taken, about 60 people have taken, they won't be needing the vaccination, the comorbidity certificate, but they need to consult the doctor before taking that. So one thing is clear, that comorbidity certificate is not needed, but more importantly, here the Health Ministry has said that all those people who are going to go in the election duties, they will be considered as frontline workers. We already know that India's frontline and healthcare workers contribute about 3 crore of population. But in the 5 poll-bound states, the frontline worker category will also include all those people who are there in election process. So this is something which the center has said. At the same time, for the vaccination, for children vaccination, center has made it clear, and as we have seen earlier also, Covaxin is only approved in the government sites. It will be given, and that site has to be identified by the state government. More of the impetus has been given to state government's responsibility, but most importantly, here the Health Ministry has made it clear that all those people who are there involved in election process will also be considered the frontline worker and will be eligible for the precaution dose.
Okay, Ayushman, thanks for giving us all those updates. Of course, the new program to start 3rd of January and 10th of January, that's when the new vaccine program rolls out for children and for frontline and healthcare workers, as well as those above 60.